Hi everyone, I am Mohammed Safansari, and in this video I am going to share some GitHub repos related to AI agents, agentic RAG and RAG systems. So when I started exploring AI agents and RAGs, I had no clue where to start, but after some exploration and research, I came across these GitHub repos which I am going to share. So these helped me to start and learn so many things. So these repos has really good end-to-end tutorials and also really good documentation. So it is easier for everyone to start. With these repos, you can build and learn really fast, and you can save so much time because I have wasted so much time figuring out these things. So let me share my screen and show you exactly. The first GitHub repository is awesome-llm-apps. So it has 66.5 stars and 8.2k forks, and the about of this repo is collection of awesome LLM apps with AI agents and RAG using OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, and open source models. So if you scroll down and you can see this is the developer of this repo, the and his uh, if you scroll down and you will see a lot of open source projects like AI agents related projects, starter AI agents, advanced AI agents, autonomous game playing AI agents, multi agent teams, voice AI agents, NCP, AI agents, RAGs, retrieval-augmented generations. There are a lot of projects like LLM apps with memory tutorials, chats with X tutorials, and many more. So if you click any of the link, this is provided like AI blog to postcard agent. So if you open this, let have it open. So if you can see there are readme about this project blog to podcast agent. This is a streamlit based application that allow user to convert any blog post into podcast. This app uses OpenAI GPT-4 model and summarization Firecrawl for scraping blog content and 11 Labs API to generate audios. And here are the installation guide and running the app guide. The second GitHub repo is 500 AI agents. It has 10k stars and 1.8k forks. And the about of this GitHub repo is the 500 AI agent projects is a curated collection of AI agent use cases across various industries. And if you scroll down and you can see the table of the content like introduction, industry use cases, use case table, frameworks, voice use cases, and many more. So introduction, that what is AI agent and related to those, and then if you scroll down you can see use cases, and there is a lot of AI agents and RAG systems projects open source. So you can see a lot of there, and if you click on anything you can get GitHub code here. So if you open this and you can see all the codes, and you can copy this and build your project like this. The tech stack, features, installation guides, getting started, and many more. The third GitHub repo is LLM Twin Course, and it has 4.1k stars and 684 folks. And the about is learn for free how to build an end-to-end production-ready LLM and RAG systems using LLM-ops best practices. So this repository has source code and 12 hours of hands-on lessons, and if you scroll down you can get all the information related to this course, like what you will learn about the course, about this course, architecture of how to build this project. And if you scroll down you will get the lessons that it will provide, like system design, data engineering, CDC magic, feature pipeline, advanced RAG and algorithms training pipeline, and many more. The fourth GitHub repo is Second Brain AI Assistant course. So it has 1.4k stars and 260 forks. And the about is learn to build your second brain AI assistant with LLMs, agents, RAGs, and fine-tuning LLM and AI systems. So this is similar project to the previous one, but you will definitely learn different things. And here is about this course, what you will do, what you will learn. And it has also 6 modules to learn, like quick walkthrough or what you will learn in this each module: architecture, build a data ETL pipeline, use Notion and crawl data to generate high quality summarization, and many more.